How to draw in Picsart. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw and edit in Picsart. First of all, here in the middle you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can open any of the images or even create a blank background. Tap on anyone that you like, so it will show you an ad. You must watch this ad in order to get into the editing platform. So let's just wait for some time. So let's wait. Now we are in the editing platform. Here on the bottom we can swipe right until you find the option called draw. So this is the option called draw. Tap on it. Now you can use this brushes or other strokes however you like. Just tap on any one of them. You can change the color also. You can choose anyone that you like and just tap and draw. So this is how you draw in Picsart. Thank you for watching.